I have an old Dell 1545 laptop, and I found a way to make money with it. Airdrops are proving to be a lucrative opportunity in 2024. In a recent video, I've seen the inspiring story of a high school dropout who made $1 million from the Jupiter airdrop. It's an incredible opportunity, but there's often a requirement when it comes to participating in airdrops. Typically, you need to hold cryptocurrency and actively engage with it to qualify. However, what if you could participate in airdrops without buying any cryptocurrency? Well, the good news is that you can. In this video, I'll discuss 4 different airdrops that you can qualify for without owning any cryptocurrency. As a blockchain developer and someone who has received multiple airdrops, I can personally vouch for the value of these opportunities. If you're new to this channel, I'm Gregory, and my goal is to help you become a blockchain master. If that interests you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's dive into the details. Before we proceed, let's address the fact that airdrops involve some level of uncertainty. I'll be discussing projects that have either confirmed their airdrops or have a high likelihood of doing so. However, I want to make it clear that I cannot guarantee specific earnings or outcomes. With that in mind, let's explore how free airdrops work, as they differ from traditional airdrops. Typically, traditional airdrops require you to use a new application or blockchain network and perform regular transactions to qualify as an early adopter. Alternatively, you may need to stake your cryptocurrency in a protocol and leave it there for others to receive new tokens through the airdrop. However, free crypto airdrops operate differently, and I'll explain this using the examples I'll provide. Let's start with project number 1, Grass. Grass offers a unique way for you to earn money by utilizing your unused internet bandwidth. It's an AI platform that trains AI models by scraping information from the internet. By installing their browser extension and allowing it to use your idle internet bandwidth, you can earn cryptocurrency. To participate in the upcoming airdrop, simply sign up for Grass using a referral code. You can find the registration link and the code in the video description. Moving on to project number 2, Bean. Bean is a new blockchain network that offers free cryptocurrency through its incentivized testnet. Testnets are simulated versions of real blockchains used for testing purposes. Bean wants people to start using their testnet and provide feedback, and in return, they reward participants with tokens. This means you can receive airdrops from Bean without using any of your own cryptocurrency. Visit Bean's website for more details on how to get involved. These are just 2 examples of the free airdrops that I discuss in the video. Remember, airdrops can be a great way to earn your first cryptocurrency. However, if you want to make significant profits in this space, I highly recommend developing your technical skills and becoming a blockchain developer. To get referral code, click link https://app.getgrass.io/register/?. Referral code =EG22UQZDCW0QWDA.